In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off vacation mode on Etsy. Whether you're back from a relaxing trip or just ready to start selling again, returning to active selling on Etsy is a straightforward process. Let's walk through each step to get your shop back up and running. First things first, you'll need to log into your Etsy account. Head over to Etsy's homepage and use your credentials to sign in. Make sure you have your details handy. Once you've logged in and find yourself on the Etsy homepage, you'll want to navigate to your shop manager. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. This is where you'll see the shop manager. It's your hub for managing everything related to your Etsy store, so it will be essential to get familiar with it if you're not already. Once in the shop manager, your next step is to zero in on the settings. You'll notice a variety of options, but what you're looking for is labeled simply as settings. Click on it and a drop-down menu will present itself. From here, you'll want to choose options. This area is where you can customize and control various aspects of how your shop operates. Now, with the options section open, you'll see several tabs on the page. You're going to focus on finding the vacation mode tab. This tab is specifically designed for when shop owners need to take a break from sales without closing their shops. Click on it to proceed. With the vacation mode tab open, you'll likely see a toggle switch that indicates whether your shop is currently on vacation. It's time to change that. Simply switch the vacation mode toggle off. This action tells Etsy and your potential customers that your shop is active once more and ready for business. Before you move away from this page, there's one final and crucial step: saving your changes. Look around the page to find the save button and give it a click. This ensures that Etsy recognizes you're officially back in action and your shop settings are updated. And that's it. With these simple steps, your Etsy shop is reactivated and ready to attract eager buyers, showcase your unique items, and fulfill orders. Remember, being clear and consistent with your shop's status can keep your customer base informed and maintain their trust. Thanks for watching and happy selling. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips that can help fine-tune your Etsy experience.